What a beautiful day today. So, I just thought to share my lunch routine with you all. Such a lovely day. Okay, so today I'm planning to make some rajma, that is red kidney beans, and rice, and I think I'll be making naan or roti. So, the first rule to make anything is to do all the preparations so that you don't overcook or undercook anything. So, here I have thinly sliced the garlic. I use two garlic cloves. Then these are ginger, coriander, tomatoes, onion, and this is green chili. So generally what people do for making rajma, they grind all thing and then they use the paste, but I'm not going to use as a paste. I'm going to use it like this way. So let's start making. So first let's switch on the gas. Then we are going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. We are not going to add too much oil, just that everything can saute well. Once the oil is nice and hot, we are going to add this asafoetida, just a pinch. See, the oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and once it is done, I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic. So if you slice the ginger and the garlic, you can, like, if you have any kid and she don't like it, so you can just take it out. But if you will cut in this way, the food will look good and the taste will also taste good. Now we are going to add our onion and green chili. Reduce the flame, otherwise it may get burned. So guys, in my channel you will get all the recipes, very easy to cook recipes. So easy way to cook any recipe. So do subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram too. There also I post so many recipes. So we will saute it until it becomes translucent. So you have to saute it really nicely, because if you will leave it like this only and you will add tomatoes, it does not taste good. It will give a raw taste of onions, which we don't want. So we are going to cook it really nicely. So our onions are nicely cooked. See, they became a little brown. This is how we want our onions. Now we will add our dry spices. This is turmeric, half teaspoon. Then we are going to add some coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Then we are going to add half teaspoon of red chili powder, and you can add garam masala later or you can add it now, just half teaspoon, and saute it for 15 to 20 seconds. Be careful, it should not get burned. Now you're gonna add some tomatoes, and if you feel like it is dry, it can get burned, so you can obviously add some water. Now I'm adding some tomatoes, and So guys, we have added the tomatoes and we will wait for tomatoes to get softer and start releasing the oil. So you can add little water right now if you feel like this masalas are sticking on the bottom of the pan. So now I will just cover it and wait for it to get cooked like for 1 or 2 minutes. So guys, as it is my lunch routine, so here I will be making rice. So for it I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. So nowadays people don't eat ghee, but I really find like ghee is very good for your bones and for your stomach. So don't eat too much ghee, but at least have 1 to 2 teaspoon daily, and do lot of exercise and improve your metabolism. Eat lots of fiber, so it will be really helpful. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of this ghee. Now I'm going to add some whole spices. So here I have cumin seeds, 3-4 black peppercorns, and this cloves, 2 cloves. So I'm going to add it to it, and this also. So once the heat will start to get hot, it will start getting cooked. Here I'm having 1 cup of rice which is nicely washed, and see these cumins are getting done. So now I'm going to add water. So you have to be very careful for adding the water. So what I'm going to do this, I'm going to add water here and I'm going to cover it. So for 1 cup I need 2 cups of water. So here I have added 2 cups of water and just a little bit of salt, and I will cover it and I will wait for the water to get boiled. So now let's see our masala. Wow, I'll just show you the color. So here our masalas are also nicely cooked. Let me add some salt just as per your taste. All the rajmas. Mix it and cover it and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. The water is started to boil. I'm going to add our rice. Add some coriander leaves. It will be just like the restaurant one. So let's see our rajmas. Wow. Mash it a little bit. So these are the dry kasuri methi. Just gonna crush it and add it to it, and garnish it with some chopped coriander. Mix it. See the color. So guys, I'm going to post the video as it is without editing anything. So it is all about my today's lunch recipe. So here we are going to check our rice also. This looks so good. So I will be using this Haldiram's ka Minute Khana authentic Indian breads. This is garlic naan. So in case you are wondering what it is, please go and check my Instagram because I have already given review about it. So here we are having 4 naans in it. So I will be cooking this naan on pan. So we're gonna spread some butter over the pan. And we're gonna put this here. You can microwave it also before like putting it on this pan. It will be easier. So we will just wait for 2 to 4 minutes and we will cook it on the pan. So our rice is almost also cooked. So this is my glass top cooktop. So I will just switch off the flame and allow it to cook like this only, and the water will absorb, get evaporated, sorry, after 2 to 3 minutes. Or I will cover it half so that it become very nice. So guys, this is all about my today's lunch. Here it's a rajma, rice, some salad, achar, papad. So generally what happens कि हम कुछ खाने को हमको temptation होती है, but the process is so like time consuming कि हम वो बना नहीं पाते. So my motto is to make things easier and present to you. So I hope you like this video. Please do follow my channel, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop your comment. Bye bye.